My name is Adrien Atkins, and I'm the owner and CEO of After Collision Services and Inspection Site. I can honestly say that Momentum has helped me increase my net worth by an easy $2,500 a month. Keeping up with the units is one of the most hectic things in my industry. I wouldn't know where my units were located. I'd have to guess, and I miss out on a lot of business. I can look on my dashboard anytime and see exactly where my unit is at that exact time. For a tow truck service like myself, I'm able to know if my units are somewhere making money that I'm not aware of. I'm able to tell if my units are in progress, where they're located at. It tells me when I'm using more gas than what I should, so I'm able to shut my units off as opposed to leaving them idled and running. A month or so ago, one of my tow truck units was stolen, and within minutes, we were able to locate it, pulled up on the unit. It was still intact. The police was notified. They were able to arrest the people that stole my truck, and I was able to recover my unit and all my belongings. I know I've saved over at least 50 grand just last year using Momentum. Do not hesitate to save yourself money and to give yourself the comfort of being able to track your vehicles or your units. It's a comfort that you can't live without. I'm Adrien Atkins, and I am a faithful Momentum customer. It's just been a remarkable service. I'm very thankful, and I recommend it to anyone who's thinking about getting it over any other systems that I ever use. Momentum's the top of the line.